Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Eats the Street. We're going to Freddy's Burgers. Steakburgers, they're called. Freddy's. And they serve custard. I think it's going to be kind of like Culver's, but hopefully better, because I didn't like Culver's that much. But ready to eat the street? I am. Let's do it. Freddy's, frozen custard, and the Steakburgers. There's Freddy.
Sorry about that. What can I get started for you?
We're good. I'm gonna get a single burger, California style, and double burger, California style. Both of them no onions, okay?
Are those in meals?
No, they're just single burgers. There's no they're burgers, no meals, and then I'll get a large fry, okay?
So you want 2 singles or 1 single and 1 double?
Okay, 1 single, 1 double, okay, and a large fry. With no onions.
French sauce or ketchup?
Can you focus on no onions? No onions, right?
Yes, I put no onion.
Okay.
Any fry sauce or ketchup?
Yeah, some fry sauce would be great, thanks.
Okay, see me 1473 through window, please.
Thanks. All right, we just got our, this is Freddy's steak burger. Frozen custard steak burger. Okay, now you can see on here, it says 1 single, 1 double, and you guys heard me, right? 1 single, 1 double. Just gave me 2 singles, as usual. Idiots. Idiots. Everywhere you go, idiots. Well, and then look at this. I've never seen a burger cooked like this. How's it taste, baby?
I haven't tried it yet.
Well, I'm gonna take a taste of it. Freddy's steak burger. Way overdone, way overcooked. I mean, I want to have it. Thanks, man. I want to have a good experience, and I want to eat good food. Even if it's fast food, I want it to, I mean, come on, it's not hard to screw up a burger. I'm going to try another bite. It's got, this is California, so I got tomato. What I like, it's got Thousand Islands, but it's got, the burger's like burnt. I mean, it's basically burnt. And I ordered a double. It's way too salty.
Salty.
This is probably the worst burger I've ever had in my life. I give it a 1. And 1 more bite. I wonder what it is. I'm trying not being a jerk. Even my wife said it was salty, right, baby? It's full of sodium. It's burnt. They got the order wrong. Hey, Freddy's. Here's your thumbs up. Bop, bop, bop. So you guys suck. Never come here again. Now let's try their fries. Here's Fred. I mean, gosh. I've never seen it. I'm going to Google it. Never heard of Freddy's before. Hopefully I'll never. So they put some kind of seasoning on this? Do you think there's seasoning on this fry? Your little shoestrings. They're not bad, right? But they're very salty too. I mean, super sodium. I've never had something so. Is this sodium or? My gosh. Look, I'm going insane. There's a kitty. Wow.
Here's fry sauce.
I'm not even gonna try it. There's a cat walking across the rocks in front of us. It's cute. I'm gonna flip the camera. The fries are terrible too. Where is he? There he is. You see him? The only thing good about this video. See him? Look at him. A little kitty. All right. Because seriously, guys, Mike Foster here. Mike Eats the Street. That's probably the worst food I've ever had in my life. Seriously, everything's terrible. Everything's terrible. The burger is horrible. I mean, look at this burger. And look at that. It's burnt. It's the wrong order. My gosh. All I want is a good burger. You know, we talked, my wife and I said, maybe we go to Five Guys, but we didn't because, you know, during this pandemic, we didn't want to go inside and just had a drive-through. I know we need some food, but I'm not going to eat garbage. Hope you enjoy my videos. Hope you enjoy my Mike Eats the Street. I'm out there trying. I'm trying to find good foods and let you guys know how they are. And for more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
You're gonna get a single. We're gonna get them California style.
Are we getting fries?
Of course. Of course!
So I guess one meal deal?
That's the best part. And don't eat it if you don't want to eat it, baby. It's gross. We can throw it away and get something else. I know we need some... I'm gonna go home and just eat, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Maybe my feet. Let's look at a kitty. Let's eat a cat. You see him? Look at him. Hopefully, maybe I should give this food to the cat.
No.
No? Okay. You want to say something? Say something. Everyone loves you on the videos. Say sweet babu. Just say sweet babu.
Sweet babu.
Ah! You hear that? She said sweet babu baba.